Hello students, a block of mass 2 kg is free to move along the x-axis. It is at rest and from t equal to 0 onwards it is subjected to a time dependent force f of t. So it is clearly mentioned it is a time dependent force and the variation of force with respect to time is mentioned in this graph. We have to calculate the kinetic energy of the block after 4.5 seconds. Let's calculate what is the kinetic energy of the block after 4.5 seconds. So it is clearly mentioned the mass of the block is equals to 2 kg and its initial velocity is 0 because it is starting from rest, right? Now we have to calculate what is the velocity at 4.5 seconds. Once you know what is the velocity at 4.5 seconds, you can easily calculate what is its kinetic energy. So very important rule, when you see a force versus time graph, the area of this force versus time graph always gives the change in the momentum of the system. So you need to write this, the area under F versus T graph is always equals to change in momentum. So therefore area that is equals to integration f of t dt is equals to m into delta v, or you can write m into v minus u. Since u initial velocity is 0, so integration f of t dt is equals to m into v. That is area is equals to change in momentum. So let's calculate what is the area. If you see the graph from 0 to 3 seconds, the force is positive, and after 3 seconds, that is from 3 to 4.5 seconds, for the next 1.5 seconds, the force in the acting on the opposite direction. So two different areas are there. So for the first 3 seconds and for the next 1.5 seconds, let's calculate the area. So area is equals to m into v. So in the first case, the area is equals to half into base into height. That is a triangle. It is a triangle. So its area is half into base into height. What is base? In the first case, base is 3 seconds and height is 4 newtons. Plus, for the next case, the next 1.5 seconds, the area is half into base. See, 3 to 4.5. This is only 1.5 seconds. Into height. So this is minus 2 newtons. That is equals to m into v. So you can calculate this. You can see this is twice. So this is 6 minus 1.5 is equals to mass of the object is 2 into v. So that is 4.5 is equals to 4.5 by 2 is equals to velocity. So this is the final velocity. So kinetic energy after 4.5 seconds. So this is the velocity after 4.5 seconds. So kinetic energy after 4.5 seconds is half m v square, that is equals to half into m, that is 2, v square, that is 4.5 by 2 whole square. If you calculate, so the answer is found to be 5.06 joules. This is the answer to this